Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these cute cat and moon earrings, and I'm going to be using some Chameleon nail polish gel for this.
The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, and I've been using Kiss Real UV resin for a while now, and I really do like it. You'll also need this I got from Temu. This is rainbow gel, and it goes from various colors, like from black to purple, black to green. I don't recall what this one was. Possibly green, I don't know. You'll need some white mica powder, mixing bowl, mixing utensil, and I also got this from Temu. And as you can see, this is not your regular UV resin mold. This is actually a homemade UV resin mold that they were selling on there, which is fine. It works. So we'll just see how this goes, because I have no idea. I haven't really used this before, and I wanted to make the little cat that color. So let's get going and see how this goes. Now the gel seems very thick. Compared to regular like gel nail polish. And from the looks of it, looks like it's black to purple. That's what I am seeing here. Okay, and then I'm going to use this tool to just push it around a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to definitely need more in there. But this is a start. Just move this here. Now I'm just trying to pour some out. I don't know if that'll work. It's very thick. Oh, it does seem to work better that way. Oh, that worked so much better. Now I'm just doing the little kitty feet, making sure it gets in there. and the tail. Perfect. All right, and then now I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds, turn it over and cure it for another 180 seconds on the bottom side, and then we'll start with the moon. All right, so now we'll mix up the resin for the moon. And I'm going to use the white mica powder. And I'm just cleaning that off with a baby wipe. And I'm just mixing it up thoroughly, so there's no little lumps or anything in there. Okay, here's the cat. It's done curing, so now I'm going to work on the moon. Now, when I put this in, it will cross over some of the feet in the bottom part of the cat, and that's okay because this is the back of the, whatever it may be, pendant, whatever you would like it to be. And I'm just moving it carefully. Now be careful when you do pour it in. Don't pour too much, and then after that, this is so tiny and delicate, just do some little dabs just to fill in the moon. All right, we're going to cure this again for 180 seconds, and then turn it over and cure the backside for 180 seconds. And I know it seems like a lot, but this ensures that it'll cure all the way through. Plus, we're not using clear resin. We've got a colorant in there, and this is a, colored nail gel. So it's going to take longer to cure. So again, 180 seconds on the top, turn it over, 180 seconds on the bottom. Now that it's done curing, we can take it out of the mold. And be very careful when you're doing that. And you can use this for earrings, a pendant. I have some leftover white, so I'm going to make a pair of earrings. Okay, now they're all done, and I'm going to use 2 6mm jump rings and 2 fishhook earrings to put these together. You can make a pendant out of this. They're very delicate, very lightweight, so they're perfect for earrings. So now we'll assemble them. Open your jump ring to the side. Reminder, do not pull it apart because it loses the round shape. Place it on your earring, or should I say your resin piece, and then place your fishhook earring on. And I'm going to use 2 pliers to close these up. And I just wiggle it back together. And there's one earring. And then we'll do the second one. Now I always like to put the earrings on so they're opposite, so when they hang nicely on your ears. And there you have it. Here are your little kitty on the moon earrings. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for further notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my artwork, photography, and my jewelry. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Well, I see you stayed till the end of the video. I just wanted to say this Chameleon gel nail polish worked wonderful. It was beautiful when I poured it. It looked like it was black, but in the light it was purple, green, blue. It was absolutely beautiful. And I hope you enjoy working with it too. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.